In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set availability in Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so people can book time with you only when it truly works for your schedule. First, open Calendly and look to the top menu of your dashboard. You'll see a tab labeled Availability. This is the central place where you control the hours you want to offer for bookings across your event types. Go ahead and click the Availability tab. When you land here, you'll typically see a weekly view with each day laid out. This page is designed to reflect your working hours or the windows when you're comfortable taking meetings, so think of it as your master schedule. If you work different hours on different days, that's okay. This view lets you shape each day independently. Next, click the time fields on your schedule to enter your start and end hours. When you click a field, you can type in the time or select it from a picker, depending on your interface. Choose the earliest time you'd like to accept bookings as your start and the last time you're willing to begin a meeting as your end. You can do this for each day shown, adjusting hours to match the way you actually work. For example, if Mondays start earlier for you, set an earlier start time there. If Fridays wrap up sooner, enter an earlier end time on that day. As you fill in these fields, remember that the times you enter are the windows your invitees will see and be able to choose from. A few quick tips as you set these hours. Be realistic about your energy and focus and build a schedule you can maintain consistently. If you tend to need midday breaks, consider that when choosing your start and end times for each day. Also, keep time zones in mind. Calendly will display the correct times to your invitees based on their location, so entering an accurate local schedule helps avoid confusion for everyone. Finally, think about the kinds of meetings you host. If your calls usually run long, pick hours that leave you breathing room before and after those blocks, so you're not rushing between commitments. That's all there is to it. Click the Availability tab in the top menu, then click the time fields on your schedule to enter your start and end hours. With those two actions, you've defined when people can book with you, keeping your calendar organized and your day under control.